waking up in the vast Mongolian steppes in the morning, exploring the endless Gobi Desert, staying with actual nomads, and then, at the end of the day, meet the legendary eagle hunters? This is our Follow the Tracks eagle route that leads you through the country from south to west, starting at the doorstep of Gobi Desert and White Stupa. Cross the unseen Yolyn Canyon and its deep ice fields before venturing further to the flaming cliffs. Go during sunset and witness the moment when the rocks turn into fire. At your next stop, you will hike up the dunes, sled them down, and get to know the local camel herders as well. You will camp in the most incredible places and get to climb mountains where probably no one has been before you. Take a deep breath at Lake Gunsangan, a unique place in Gobi which attracts wild birds and is a common gathering place for horses and camels. You always wanted to stay with nomads and learn more about their way of life, culture and music? Then the eagle route is made for you. Enjoy Mongolian hospitality to the fullest. But that's not all. You will also meet the legendary eagle hunters, learn about their Kazakh traditions, and witness them pass on their knowledge and way of life from one generation to the next. Everything on your journey is prearranged, so you can relax. Every car is equipped with a spacious iCamper rooftop tent, which sleeps up to 4 people, and most importantly, your digital guide on a tablet, which will help you find your way through Mongolia easily and holds useful information about all the places you visit. Book your Follow the Tracks eagle route now.